Confused about what to do with the negative dilute test result? Does this mean you have a cheater in your ranks or that you should issue a pink slip? Well, before you start jumping to conclusions, take a deep breath. All that test result means is that the sample was negative for drugs, but that the composition of the urine was a bit off. If your employee for sure tried to mess with the test, the result would have come back adulterated. Wondering what caused the result to be diluted? Well, there are three main things that could do it. Number one, drinking a lot of fluids before the test for innocent reasons, like if the employee is working outside on a hot day, or drinking lots of water to lose weight. Number two, there is a problem with the employee's kidneys or liver. Or number three, the employee purposefully overhydrated or added something to the specimen in attempts to beat the test. So since you don't know for sure the employee cheated, issuing that pink slip is a bit too extreme. So what should you do? Don't know? Well, what's your drug-free workplace policy direct you to do? Oh, it doesn't? Well, a good model to follow, even if you aren't mandated to, is the Department of Transportation's, or DOT's, guidelines for handling a negative dilute result. DOT gives employers the option of either treating the result as a negative or asking the employee to go for another test. What you decide can vary by the reason for the initial test, but they do require that you treat all employees the same. For example, let's say you got a negative dilute result on a random test. If you have the employee go for another test, you'll have to do the same thing for the next person who tests negative dilute on a random test. In any case, with any dilute negative result, it's always wise to call the doctor who reviewed the test, the medical review officer, to see if he or she has any other directions for you. Got it? Well, now you need to be sure your drug-free workplace policies got it too. Give working partners a call to help clarify and articulate in writing how you'll handle a negative dilute test result.